Milo was a quiet boy who often found himself alone, wishing for a friend to share his adventures with. One sunny afternoon, while exploring his backyard, he stumbled upon a hidden path leading to a magical bridge made of rainbows. As he stepped onto the bridge, he was amazed to see the colors shimmer and dance around him, each one full of life. But something wasn't right. The bridge seemed to be losing its vibrant colors, and Milo knew he had to find out why. As Milo journeyed across the rainbow bridge, he met new friends who represented different colors of the rainbow: Ruby the red fox, who taught him about bravery; Oliver the orange owl, who showed him the importance of wisdom; and Bella the bluebird, who shared the joy of laughter. But the closer he got to the end of the bridge, the more the colors began to fade. Milo realized that the bridge's magic was weakening because the connections between friends in this world were breaking apart. At the end of the bridge, Milo encountered the guardian of the rainbow, a wise and gentle giant who explained that the bridge's colors reflected the strength of friendships in their world. The guardian revealed that the only way to fully restore the bridge was for Milo to share the magic of friendship with his own world. With courage and determination, Milo promised to bring what he had learned back home, to be a true friend and to help others find the joy of connection. As Milo stepped off the rainbow bridge and returned to his backyard, he noticed that everything looked brighter and more colorful. The magic of the bridge had followed him home, and soon, he began to make new friends, sharing laughter, wisdom, and bravery with them. Milo knew that the true magic of the rainbow bridge wasn't just in the colors, but in the friendships he had formed along the way. And every time he looked up at a rainbow, he smiled, knowing that the bridge would always be there, guiding him and others to the true meaning of friendship.